Hello, good evening everyone. Today we will see a most important topic, that is logic gate. So first of all we will see a AND gate. So in this PPT we'll see a AND gate. Where AND gate having two inputs A and B and output is Y. Here is the expression of Boolean expression Y is equals to A dot B. Here is the truth table. We will see if output is high only when the input both input is high. So how to prove it in using the simulation? So first of all we will go for the simulation part. Here we using the DSCH2 for simulation. So first of all we are taking a AND gate. We are connected to inputs A and B and output is LED. So we will give the inputs. Here both are 0. So it is showing 0 only. If I will give A is 0 and B is 1, then output is 0 only. If I will give A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. If I will give A is 1 and B is 1, it will show the output 1. Thank you.